Good morning, students. 9th standard, exercise 7.1, fourth sum. Find the area of an equilateral triangle. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. Whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. I repeat it. Sum number 4. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. Solution. Given triangle is an equilateral triangle. We note the equilateral triangle and perimeter of a triangle is 180 centimeter and perimeter of a triangle is 180 centimeter. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So, for example, here A to B is equal to 5 centimeter means B to C also 5 centimeter, C to A or A to C also 5 centimeter. This is an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. So, all the sides are equal. So, all the sides are equal. So, A equal to B, B equal to C. All sides are equal, no? So, A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to A. Perimeter of the triangle is, by the formula, perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C. What? A plus B plus C. By the sum, perimeter is 180 centimeter. Perimeter is 180 centimeter. Here all sides are equal, no? Equilateral triangle. So A plus A. So 3A. A plus A is equal to 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So A is equal to 180 by 3. 180 by 3. We are cancelling 60. So 60 centimeter is an equal sides. 60 centimeter is an equal sides. We know that area of the triangle. We know that area of the equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into A square. Root 3 by 4 into A square. What is A? A is equal to 60 centimeter. So, root 3 by 4 into 60 whole square. 60 whole square. We are multiplying 60 into 60. 3600. So, root 3 by 4 into 3600. Root 3 is equal to, we know that 1.732. 1.732. Root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. So, root 3 by 4, we are cancelling 4, here 3600. So, we are simplifying 900. We are simplifying 900. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. 1.732 into 900. So we are multiplying 1.732 into 900 means 1558.8 centimeter square. So the answer is 1558.8 centimeter square. That's all, my dear. Question number 5. Isosceles triangle perimeter is 36 meter and equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17.50 per square meter. I repeat it. Exercise 7.1, fifth sum. Isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. This triangle is isosceles. This is important. Isosceles triangle perimeter is 36 meter and equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17.50 per square meter. Solution. Given perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 36 meter. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is two sides are very important. Two sides are equal. For example, A to B and A to C is 10 centimeter. A to B and A to C also 10 centimeter. These two sides are equal. Another side is anything, that is no problem. Two sides are equal means isosceles triangle. Here by the sum, equal sides are 13 meter. So here A is equal to 13. Then A is equal to 13. Perimeter is 36 meter. Perimeter of the triangle, we know the formula, no? A plus B plus C. By the sum, perimeter is 36 meter. The formula is, here isosceles triangle, no? So A plus two sides are equal. A plus B. A plus A is equal to here 13 centimeter. So 13 plus B. So 36 is equal to 13 plus 13, 26 plus B. 36 going to left hand side. So 26 going to left hand side. 36 minus 26 is equal to B. 36 minus 26 is equal to 10. So B is equal to 10. Now we are find out the area. Area of the triangle is, by Heron's formula, square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I repeated. Area of the triangle is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here A, B, C are known values, S is unknown. So we have to find out S. So S is equal to semi-perimeter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C by 2. So here A is equal to 13, B is equal to 13, C is 10. So 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 10, 36 by 2. So we are cancelling 18 meter. So S is 18. So S is 18. We are substituting the formula. 18 into 18 minus 3, 18 minus 13, this is 18 minus 13, 18 minus 13 and 18 minus 10 and 18 minus 10. Here the same value is 18. 18 minus 13 is equal to 5 and 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. So now we are splitting the greatest value. Here 18 is greatest. So we are splitting 9 into 2. We are splitting 9 into 2. 5 is smaller number, so 5 into 5. That's okay. 8 is also greater number, so I split it 4 into 2. I split it 4 into 2. So 9 is 3 square. 9 is 3 square. 2 here, this 2 and this 2. So into 2 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. 4 is equal to 2 square, no? So I put it 2 square. So we are removing square root. So 3, 2, 5 and 2. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. The area is 60 meter square. The area is 60 meter square. Then cost of painting, no? Cost of painting is 1 square meter is equal to 1 into 17.50. 1 into 17.50. Here 60 meter square. Here 60 meter square. The area of the triangle is 60 meter square. So cost of 60 square meter. Cost of 60 square meter. 60 into 17.50. 17.50 is equal to 1050. 1050 rupees. 1050 rupees. So the cost of isosceles triangle is the cost of isosceles triangle, that is painting cost. Painting cost of isosceles triangle is 1050. How much? 1050 rupees. That's it. Standard 9th, 7th unit mensuration, exercise 7.1, 7th sum. Find the area of a quadrilateral, very important, quadrilateral ABCD whose sides AB is equal to 13 cm, BC is equal to 12 cm, CD is equal to 9 cm and AD is equal to 14 cm. They give another one side, that is diagonal. Diagonal BD is 15 cm. Diagonal BD is 15 cm. I repeat it. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. ABCD. Sides AB 13 cm, BC 12 cm, CD 9 cm, AD is equal to 14 cm and the diagonal BD is 15 cm. BD is 15 cm. Solution. Given ABCD is quadrilateral. AB is equal to 13 cm, BC is equal to 12 cm, CD is equal to 9 and AD is equal to 14 cm. AD is equal to 14 cm. I draw the quadrilateral AB, BC, CD and DA. AB is equal to 13, no? BC is equal to 12. Then CD is equal to 9. AD is equal to 14. Then the diagonal. This is the diagonal. Diagonal BD is 15. Diagonal BD is 15 centimeter. So now we have to find out area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral means area of the triangle ABD. Area of the triangle ABD and area of the triangle BCD. So we are splitting two triangles. That is quadrilateral. ABCD. Now we are splitting area of the triangle ABD and area of the triangle BCD. We are splitting two triangle. First we have to find out triangle ABD. Area of the triangle ABD is, we know the formula, Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Here a is equal to 13, b is equal to 15, c is equal to 14. Here a is equal to 13, b is equal to 15, c is equal to 14. 13, 15, 14. So s is equal to 13 plus 15 plus 14 by 2. We are adding, this is 42 by 2. So s is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So s is equal to 21. 21 minus a is 13. 21 minus b is 15. 21 minus c is 14. So we are simplifying 21. 21 minus 13, 8. 21 minus 15, 7. 21 minus 14. Sorry, I simply changed the values. 21 minus 14 is equal to here 7. 21 minus 15 is equal to here 6. 21 minus 15 is equal to 6. We are simplifying. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So 3 into 7. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Then 7 is as it is. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now we are merging the same number. Here 3, here also 3. So 3 square. Here 7, here also 7. So 7 square. Then 2 into 2, 2 square. Then here 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. So 2 square. Now we are removing the square root. So we have only one value, that is 3, 7, 2, this is 2. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 7 is equal to 84 centimeters square. That is area of the triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Then now we have to find out triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Here A is equal to 12, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 15. So the semi-perimeter is 12 plus 9 plus 15 by 2. So we are adding 12 plus 9 plus 15 is equal to 36 by 2. 36 by 2 is equal to 18 centimeter. So we have to use the formula 18 into 18 minus A is 12. 18 minus B is 9. 18 minus C is 15. So we are simplifying 18 as it is. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. Okay. Now we are simplifying the greatest number corresponding to these numbers. 18 is equal to 9 into 2. 18 is equal to 9 into 2. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 9 is as it is. Why? Because here also 9, no. So 9 as it is, 3 also as it is. Okay. Corresponding terms we are merging. 9, here also 9. So 9 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. 3, here also 3. So 3 square. So we are removing the square root. So here 9, here 2, here 3. So 9 into 2, 18. 18 into 3, 54 centimeter square. 54 centimeter square. The area of the triangle VDA is area of the triangle BCD. Area of the triangle BCD is 54. Area of the triangle BCD is 54 centimeter square. Now we have the conclusion is area of the quadrilateral is area of the triangle. Two triangles we are splitting, no, that two triangle is one area is 84, another one is 54. So 84 plus 54 is equal to 138 centimeter square. 138 centimeter square. So the area of the quadrilateral is nothing but 138 centimeter square. 138 centimeter square. That's it, my dears.